Tick season's here, and while most people are thinking about barbecues and hiking trails, I'm thinking about tiny vampires hiding in the grass and the trees. And why? Because one tick bite can change your life forever. I've seen it, I've lived it, and I've treated thousands of people with Lyme disease. So let me show you how to protect yourself and your family without living in a bubble suit.
Nothing is gonna stand in my way.
I'm Dr. Jason West, and for over 25 years, I've helped people fight and recover from chronic Lyme disease. And trust me, you do not want to get it to this point. Ticks may be tiny, but they can carry devastating infections, Lyme disease being the worst of the bunch. And so today I'm sharing with you how to prevent, respond, and treat tick bites the right way. So let's dive in. Lyme disease is called the great imitator. I mean, you put 40 people in the room and you're going to have someone with joint problems, someone with hormone problems, imbalance, insomnia, muscle pain, nerve pain. I mean, it can mimic arthritis. I believe it mimics multiple sclerosis, fibromyalgia, even mental health conditions. One tiny bite can set off years of fatigue, so many different conditions, anxiety, brain fog, and you may never even remember the bite. That's why I'm sounding the alarm in this tick season, because prevention and early action are everything. I'm not going to tell you to stop going outside. Nature is therapy, but you got to outsmart the ticks. And here's how. First, I recommend wearing light colored clothing to spot the ticks faster. Tuck your pants into your socks. Yes, you'll look like your dad on a camping trip.
This is crazy, this is crazy, this is crazy.
But you'll thank me later. And I like using tick repellent. Despite the fact of being a natural doctor, I don't want anything on my body, but natural runs or even DEET, which is very toxic. I think it's worse to have a tick bite than to have some chemical toxicity, but natural repellents are even better. And then stick to the center of the trail. Avoid tall grass and leaf piles. When you get home, shower, check your scalp, under your arms, your waistband, behind your knees, and don't forget to check your pets. Okay, let's say that you find a tick. First, don't panic. And second, don't smother it with Vaseline or try to burn it with a match. I think that's old school and dangerous. Here's what to do. I'd use some fine-tipped tweezers, grab the tick as close to the skin as possible, and gently pull straight up without any twisting or jerking. I'm gonna clean the bite area with alcohol or soap and water and save the tick. I mean, seriously. Put it in a plastic bag or a sealed container. If you want to be prepared for tick season, you can download our free Lyme survival guide at lymefighter.com. And if you're not sure what to do next, call our office at 208-232-3216 and ask for Jody. We're here to help. That save tick, should you get it tested? Well, if you can, I would. There are several labs that test ticks for Lyme and the co-infections, Babesia and Bartonella, and the other co-infections. It gives you a head start. And if the tick is positive, I would get proactive and do it fast. So you've been bitten. Now what? Step one, I would immediately boost your immune system. And so here's my natural go-to immune system formula. I love liposomal vitamin C. It's an incredible immune stimulator and strengthener. I love a natural herbal product called LDM 100. This is a concentrated extract of Lomatium dissectum. And it's one of my secret weapons for viruses and bacteria. And they stay hydrated. Use Dr. Rest. Yes, if you sleep and rest, you can heal faster and monitor symptoms. Now, if you develop any of the following, like a bullseye rash, flu-like symptoms, headaches, joint pain, or fatigue, that's your sign to get even more aggressive. And even considering antibiotics, some doxycycline if caught early, but I would really like IV vitamin C to supercharge your immunity and lower the inflammation. And I love potassium. There's a mineral that you mix that with that helps to drain your lymph nodes. And I love oxidative medicine. I mean, oxygen helps to detox and kill stealth infections. And yes, this can make a difference between 3 weeks of inconvenience and 3 years of chronic illness. Look, ticks are part of nature, but if you don't have to be the host, with the right information and the right response, you can enjoy the outdoors safely. And if you're dealing with tick bites or new symptoms or chronic fatigue, you're not alone and you're not out of options. Now, if this video helped you, hit the like, subscribe, and send this video to your favorite hiking buddy. Tick prevention is better than Lyme treatment. And if you need help, go to lymefighter.com or call us, and I'll see you on the next information video about Lyme disease. It's my goal and it's my calling to make sure that we have the least amount of Lyme disease impact in the world. Dr. Jason West at lymefighter.com. See you later.